Hello, I am going to walk you through your assignments for ELA this week. Now you'll see that I am on our class website and I am on the assignments page for this week. I know this because I can see this title up here that says week 1, September 8th to September 11th. Starting with ELA, at the top of the filing cabinet, I will click on ELA and then I can either go through and click on these and I'll be brought directly to the assignment in Google Classroom, or click here for the first assignment, which is what I would advise you do, because if you click on this,
Number 1001.
I'll just pause that. You then get the explanation of what is expected of you. Note that up here, there's an underline under the title telling me that it's a link. Also, my cursor from my mouse moved from an arrow to a hand. So if I click on that, it's going to drop me right into our classroom where this assignment is. So the very first assignment is a Google training assignment. This is important because it lays the foundation for almost everything or so many things we're going to do this year. And just like most assignments at the beginning, it's giving you practice with the tools that we're going to need throughout the year. So it says complete the Google training by reviewing the slides and successfully finishing each challenge. Note there are 3 total. So if you click on this, you each have a copy, and you'll click on this. And this will take a minute to load. There's several slides. And it's going to go through and teach you about several aspects of Google. The first is signing into Google, which you have to do to even open your Chromebook. And then Gmail, Google Classroom, Google Calendar, and just how you're going to stay organized. So if we look, for example, at the Gmail section, there's instructions. Email must be checked daily. If you want to reply to an email, here's the arrow that you press. If you want to delete an email, you click on this trash can, etc. This has some more information about how to send an email tips around etiquette, and there's a YouTube video that you should watch to get more information. And then there's a challenge. Follow each step. In this case, compose a new email. Put your teacher's email into the to section. Note, when you are using Gmail from a Malone account, if you start typing in another Malone account person's name, their name will automatically come up as an option and you can click on that. For the subject line, you're writing Gmail challenge. Then you're going to write a message with at least one sentence telling me why you think middle school will be better than elementary school. And then you're going to send your email. So each of these things, the next section is on Google Classroom. You know it's a new section because suddenly the color scheme has changed. We'll also explain how Google Classroom works. And at the bottom, there is a classwork challenge. Same with the Google Calendar section. And then here's some tips on staying organized within Google, which is super helpful. That is your first assignment. So let's close this. If you have any questions, reach out if it's not clear. Remember, if we were in the classroom, I would be able to check in with you, but because we're not, it's really on you to reach out to me if you have any questions or things are not clear. The second assignment for ELA, again, I'm going to click on this folder. This one is a little about me. If I want to hear the directions, I need to click on this, and this will start playing.
Number 1002. Number 1002. A little about me.
Over and over again, apparently. Again, if you click on this title, it is a link. It's going to bring us directly into Google Classroom to this specific assignment. So this one says it's a new school year with new classmates. Complete this slide deck about you, and it will be shared with your classmates so we can all get to know each other, whether we're in person or not. So you're going to get a copy of this. These are the directions you follow. And here, it's just this one slide that you're filling out. And you're going to attach a picture of you, whether that's a Bitmoji like I did in the first slide, or a picture you have on your computer, or a picture you take with your Chromebook, because that is an option. And then you're going to go in here, and there are text boxes for you to answer what your name is, how old you are, your favorite color, etc. So those are your 2 assignments for ELA this week.